Hello, Brent, Midlands Home Inspections here, performing inspection on Papillion, Nebraska this morning. Want to point out microwave here in the kitchen. It's typical, we had our vent fan. Basically, we're recirculating the air from above the stove, run back through, but unfortunately, at the very top here, where it's supposed to come through, it's not. The current homeowners cut a hole in the bottom of the cabinet, had it so it was vented up into the cabinet area right above. Typical for if you were going to vent that air to the exterior of the home, that would be connected to ductwork run to the outside. So definitely incorrect. We'll definitely recommend getting a qualified contractor to come in here and get that corrected for the purchasers of the home. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections. Have a great day.